Hi there traders and investors, today is the 4th of July, Thursday. I'm here with another market overview prepared for InstaForex. Yesterday, traders paid attention to the US initial unemployment claims, which may predict the non-farm payrolls figures. Notably, the data on unemployment claims turned out to be weaker than anticipated. This allowed traders to play out the trading idea on the euro-dollar pair, which I offered earlier. The euro considerably gained in value and reached its first targets. Let us examine these on the trading charts. Curiously, today the United States is celebrating Independence Day. That is why its markets are closed. In this light, a flat movement is likely to prevail. Yesterday, gold prices jumped, reaching their high. Sellers' liquidity is between weekly extremes, which come on one after another. Buyers' liquidity has been accumulating since May 3rd. Now it's better to wait for a breakout of either limit of the range. Yesterday, the price tested the swing high. Today, we may see a correctional movement to at least the swing low below 23.44. The general movement is likely to be sideways. Meanwhile, tomorrow, the trading instrument may climb amid the US data. After a test of a swing low, the euro-dollar pair reached a new high as we expected. Now it's hovering in the area of a swing high. At present, I do not see any new trading ideas. The pound sterling also rose. The main target for British pound is still set at 1.2890. The Australian dollar encouraged traders from a technical point of view. The currency updated all the extremes that we needed to gain after entering the market at the swing low at about 0.6640. Nevertheless, the main target is still at 0.69. The currency should climb by 1,800 pips. The dollar-yen pair also reacted to preliminary ADP estimates. It went through the swing high. Nevertheless, a lot will depend on tomorrow's reports. I will end here for now. See you next time.